I do.
이 영화는 심전에 관한
This is a film about psychological warfare,
왜곡된
a
정보를
specific type of warfare designed to distract,
무감각하게 만들어
misinform,
But trust me,
특정 형태의
and anesthetize the brain.
형식. 심리전은 변장술의
It has many disguises
많은 모습으로
and is used against every one of them,
아울러 노동자,
against them
어린이, 일반 인민 한 사람
And against
한
them.
사람을 대상으로 하고 있다. 물론 이와 같은 검모
Of
술수적
course,
행위는
such Machiavellian activity requires a disguise,
프로파간디스트들이
which is why propagandists call themselves the public relations industry.
PR야 부른다 할 수 있다. 오늘날
But do not be fooled.
사실을 전하는
Public relations and propaganda are interchangeable,
하지만 속지 말아야 할
and it is the
것이다.
massive public relations industry
상호 호환성이 있으며
that is designed to alter perception,
인간의 사고를
reshape reality,
현실을 탈바꿈시켜
and manufacture consent.
생산해내도록 설계된 것일 뿐이다.
A Hollywood set designer was brought in to create a $200,000 backdrop for official war briefings.
오늘날 미국 하나만 봐도
Today, America alone has more public relations propagandists than reporters,
이 사실은 서구 사회
which means that nearly half of what people in the West hear, see, or read is written by professional liars.
할수 있다. 전문 거짓말 장애의 이 일은
Professional liars whose job it is to keep people in front of their televisions,
잡지들을 읽도록 하며
reading gossip magazines, eating vast amounts of toxic food, and shopping, always shopping, for the latest fashions and trends.
만드는 것이다. 이것이 프로파간디스트들에게
That's the ideal for propagandists,
상황이라고 할 수 있다. 그리고 그
and great efforts are made in trying to achieve and maintain that ideal.
아끼지 않는다. 대중이 스스로 집
Anything that keeps the masses from organizing themselves and asking important questions about what their masters are really up to.
대중을 지켜내기 위한 모든 것을 포함한다. 1960년대는
The
학생들이
1960s,
이끄는 것에
a period of heightened awareness and rebellion against the establishment,
시기였다고 할 수 있다.
with students leading the resistance.
통제를 벗어나는 것 같이
But when the
보이며
situation seems to be getting out of hand, the establishment ordered it to be stopped, and the propagandists moved quickly to lead the young people away from dangerous protests into such fashionable protests. That was then. This is now.
사회혁명을 제외한
Fashion,
연예인,
celebrity,
섹스,
sex,
음악,
music,
기술 등
technology,
모든
any
다른
kind of
종류의
revolution
혁명으로
except
바뀌어가고 있다.
the social revolution.
이 영화에서는
In this film, we will reveal the methods used by the propagandists to control populations on behalf of their owners.
부유하고 강력한 힘을 가진
Although these rich and powerful owners only make up 1% of the world's population,
대상으로
they have mastered the use of propaganda over 99% of the world's population, turning them into consumer slaves who work harder and harder to buy things they don't need. These consumer slaves are also made to pay taxes to their government, money which is used to develop new weapons for the pernicious invasions and occupations of other countries. In the last 5 years alone, they've given their owners more than $1 trillion for these illegal and immoral wars that can't be won, and are even encouraged to send their own children to fight them. This is Doctor of Psychology, Professor Kim.
어떻게 인류를
무감각,
You have just been exposed to a range of propaganda devices used by the West to control,
다수의 프로파간다
manipulate,
방법들을
neutralize,
접하였다.
and anesthetize entire populations,
인민들을 포함한
its own
다른
and that of other
나라의
nations.
인민까지 모두 다 말이다. 이와 같은 정신적 왜곡 방법의 성공 비결은 어떻게
The success of these mind-warping devices depends on their remaining hidden from the masses.
남아 있느냐 하는 것에 있다고 할 수 있다. 그러나 경애하는 지도자 동지는 인민 모두가 스스로의 눈으로 정확하게 어떻게
But our
정신
dear leader has
세계에
insisted
대한
that you see with your own eyes exactly how this war against the mind is used to turn Western citizens
보호의 집단으로
into compliant slaves.
이용되는지를 볼 것을 주장해 오셨다. 지금 이 사람이 세계 신기록을
Has this man just broken a world record? Has he just created a medicine that can save thousands of lives? Perhaps he has been chosen to represent his community in some way. No, this man has just purchased a telephone.
구매에 성공하였다.
And these people, what is making them scream and cry with such profound joy? They are on a television program where they are receiving consumer items. This for some boots. This for some clothes shelves. And this hysteria is not because they have found God, but because they are receiving sneakers. The propagandist knows that an individual has a natural desire to be on a winning side and appear to fit in with the crowd. One of the easiest ways to achieve this is to make them chant favorable, yet deliberately vague slogans like, "This changes everything."
This is going to change everything.
Just do it. I'm loving it. Or support our troops.
Support our troops 같은
The point of slogans like support our troops is that they don't mean anything. That's the whole point of good propaganda. You want to create a slogan that nobody's going to be against and everybody's going to be for. Nobody knows what it means because it doesn't mean anything. Points out Professor Noam Chomsky.
이것을 염두에 두고 보면
With this in mind, propagandists can provide simple answers to complex problems and ask for approval without question.
Either you're with us, either you love freedom, or you're with the enemy.
이들은 이 방법을 이용하여
They can use this method to sell phones, violence, cosmetics, or even false wars, like the unwinnable war on terror announced by these degenerates, and the hypocritical war on drugs announced by this master criminal, who is awarding a medal to this man for joining the war on drugs, despite this man being a drug addict.
만들어낼 수 있는 것이다. 가장 인기 있는 슬로건들은
The most popular slogans contain virtue words that embody what slaves in the West have been conditioned to value most dearly. Words like
자유,
freedom,
진실,
truth,
평화,
peace,
해방과 같은
liberty,
단어들이며
and
가장
most
중요한
importantly,
단어는 민주주의.
democracy.
가장 인기 있는 슬로건들은
The 20th century has been characterized by three developments of great political importance: the growth of democracy, the growth of corporate power,
진실,
and the growth of corporate propaganda as a means of protecting corporate power against democracy. Writes Howard Zinn.
마지막 줄을 다시 한번
Let's
보도록
look at that last line again.
민주주의에 반하여
The growth of
기업의
corporate
영향력을
propaganda
보호하기 위한
as a means of
수단으로서
protecting corporate
이용되는
power
기업 프로파간다의
against
성장.
democracy.
이것이 과연 사실일까?
Is this true?
실상을 한번
Let's look at the facts.
Killed. But your government has...
1945년
Since 1945, America has tried to overthrow 50 governments, many of them democracies.
이 과정 중
In the process, over 30 countries and their people have been attacked,
30개국이 넘는 나라에서
including our own great and
대한
powerful
공격이
socialist sovereign nation.
그 결과는 어땠는가?
And the result?
민주주의 국가가 아닌
Not one
단
single
하나라도
undemocratic
진정한
country
민주주의로의
has been turned
전략이
into a
이루어지지
genuine
못했다.
democracy.
Open the door!
Get your hands up and come outside.
Let's go, sir. Yeah, clear the house now. Let's sweep on down.
I want peace as much as you do.
다른
The
나라를
grotesque act of invading other countries, claiming them as your territory, and stealing their resources to keep your emperor, crown,
한때
or corporate owners in power used to be known as empire building.
제국 건설을 위한 가장
The
최근의
latest propaganda
프로파간다
slogan for empire building is globalization,
결집이라는
a vague word with warm connotations of unification.
단어. 하지만 이의 진정한
But what it
의미는
really means is the acquisition of other people's resources at any cost
무제한적인
and unlimited slave labor. Slave labor needed to produce the unnecessary goods sold to these slaves.
생산하기 위해 필요한 노동
Slaves to persuasion and influence.
노출되어 있는 노예들. 현실적으로 이들은
In
자신들이
reality,
구매하는 것들에
these are
대해
debt
돈을
slaves,
지불할 수 없기
since they
때문에
can't even afford the things they buy.
할 수 있다. 설령
Even in
경제가
times of
붕괴되거나
peril and economic meltdown,
위기상황이라도 그들 대통령의
at the orders of their president,
이들은 계속해서
they must keep consuming.
하여야 한다. 이것이
Is this
과연
democracy?
민주주의인가? 광고란
Advertising is both propaganda and propaganda distributor.
광고란
Advertising is about hawking product and creates artificial needs, since most products are completely unnecessary.
Your favorite music.
광고란 파렴치하게
Advertising unashamedly fosters unhappiness with oneself and with one's possessions.
조성시킨다고
In fact, the very purpose of advertising is to open up emotional vulnerabilities
문을 열고
and make people feel that without this product, they are defective.
You need to protect your skin, you need to hydrate your skin, you need to moisturize your skin, and you need to repair your skin.
기업들은
Corporations employ psychologists, writers, and filmmakers to sell what is essentially the same product.
예를 들면 특정
A certain
치약은
toothpaste, for instance, claims to have a feeling of
주장을 한다고
freshness.
보자. 이 제품은 뛰어난
This one
당미작용으로
claims to have dazzling strips of whitening
주장을
ability,
하는 한편 해파리에
while
쏘는 것
this
같이
one is for people who claim to have teeth so sensitive that it feels like they've been stung by lightning.
효과적인 광고의
One of the
소명수 중
tricks of
한
effective
가지는
advertising
넓은 층의
is to
좋은
identify the
인식의
product
제품과
with a highly desirable quality that has widespread appeal.
이것을 사신다면 당신은 깨끗한
If you buy
피부를
this,
갖게 됩니다.
you will have clear skin and become attractive to others.
이 광고는
Use
이
this
상품의
product
개인
and pretend that you too can be a farmer.
또는 이
Drive
자동차는
this car and appear
모험심이
liberated and
활달한
adventurous,
사람을 위한 것이다.
like these actors.
이 슬로건들은 단지
Advertisements are nothing but bait,
소비자를 위해서
laid out for certain types of consumers.
아니다.
For up to 14 times more volume.
이와 같은 방법들이
These same methods are used to glorify the corporations
미화하는 데
who make
쓰이고
these
있다.
products.
이것을 기업 선전이라고
This is
부른다.
called
예를 들면
corporate
제너럴
propaganda.
일렉트릭사는
For example,
자사가 일터에서의
The
상상력을
General Electric
발휘하는
Company
것이라
likes to
자랑하는
boast
것을
about its
좋아하는데
imagination at
이것은
work,
미사일과 다른
which includes
무기들을
money
제조하는
lending
데
and
사용되는
manufacturing
제조
equipment
설비, 작은
for building
대출을
missiles and other armaments.
포함한다는 것을 의미한다. 진실은 기업은
The truth
돈을
is
벌기
that
위해서
corporations
존재하는
exist only to make money
안녕과
and are
같은
even legally
그
compelled to
상반되는
prioritize
관심사에
making
대해서
profits over
이윤의
competing
추구를
interests.
합법적인 방법으로
Such as the
우선순위에
well-being of
올려놓을 수
consumers.
있다는 것이다. 또한 자본주의자에게는
And there is no such thing as enough profit for the capitalist.
없다라는 것이다. 이것이 세계화를
This is
추구하는
why they promote globalization, the new slogan for empire. It allows them to promote their symbols, also known as brands, by using slave labor in third world countries.
하는 것이다. 이런 제국주의적 브랜드는 국가의
These imperial brands are a symbol of value and meaning, like a flag.
하지만 그들이
But their only allegiance is to profit, not country.
이윤일 뿐이다. 기업의 목적은
Their goal?
이윤의 극대
Maximum
활용.
profit.
기업의
Their
표적은
target?
바로 우리
Human
인류이다.
beings.
인간들을 자기들 나라나 인민, 환경에는 어떤 피해가
Turn them into
있더라도
mindless consumers
해당
who
기업의
crave their
제품에
product
품질이
and keep buying it
계속해서 구매하는
at any cost to their country,
소비자로
fellow
만들어라.
citizens, and the environment.
이것이다. 무엇을 위해서?
And for what?
이 광고의
Look at the
배경을
background of this commercial.
이 상품은
This
화면에
product is for those with
재력 있고
money and high social
성적 신분이
standing,
높은
according to the
사람을 위한
image.
상품이라 할 수 있다. 이것이 얼마나 친구와 동료, 이웃들에게
This is how the bizarre need to appear superior to friends, fellow workers, and neighbors
이용되었는가를 보여준다. 그렇지만
is
광고는 비단
mercilessly enlarged and exploited.
않는다. 프로파간디스트들은
But advertising is not just for adults.
위하여
Propagandists spend $12 billion per year specifically targeting children to form consumer habits early on.
자제할 수 없는
They can
상태가
ingrain their
되어
brand by repeating it over and over until the child is indoctrinated and manipulated beyond control.
Norman Feeney, Pepsi drinker for life.
18개월이 되면
By
서구
18
사회의
months,
아기들은
babies in the
브랜드
West
간의
can tell the
차이를
difference
알수 있게
between
되고,
brands.
2살이 되면
And by 2, they're asking for brand products by name.
요구할 수 있게 된다.
From the age of
7,
7, the average child has seen 20,000 TV commercials every year.
광고 관계자들이 다른 어떤
There is only one other group more coveted and groomed by advertisers than any other:
티네이지
preteen and teenage girls.
프로파간디스트들은 이것을 트윈 마켓,
The propagandists call this the tween market,
실질적으로는 기업의
but
페도필리아,
in fact, it is corporate pedophilia.
집착증이라고 할 수 있다. 기업의
The
소아의정
aim of
집착증이
corporate pedophilia is to make young people feel inferior and defective
이미지를 이용함으로써
by using images that are unattainable.
자신들이 결점이 있다고 느끼게 만드는 것이고 이러한
And these
이미지는
images are used
평생
against
소비자들의
consumers
대상으로
for the rest of their
이용되어
lives to
그들의
keep them
제품을
feeling
사거나
inadequate,
자사 브랜드 제품과 함께하지 않으면
unless they buy their products and stick with their brands.
적으로 느끼게 하는 것이다. 패션 산업도
The
마찬가지다.
fashion industry is the same.
어울릴지도 모르겠다.
Wear this and you might fit in. Look like this and you will be attractive and popular,
가십 잡지에 나오는
like
이
the people in these
사람들과
gossip
해서 이런
magazines.
사람들과 같은 그룹에 동참해라. 이런 사람들을
These
우리는
people are called
유명인이라고
celebrities.
Where do we begin? I mean...
사람이 자기가 하는 일의 최고가 되어
While it is natural for a person to become popular for being the best at what they do, today in the West, you are a celebrity if you simply appear on screen.
어떤 화면이라도
Any screen, even by mistake.
이렇게 되면 아무것도 하지 않더라도 신용도가 쌓이게
You gain
되고
credibility and
찬사도
praise
받게
for
된다.
nothing.
그리고 화면에
And the more you
노출되면
appear,
될수록
the bigger a
그
celebrity you
인물이
become.
더 커지게 된다. 유명인사가 되었다 싶으면
If you become a big enough celebrity, then you become a brand to be sold and traded like any other product. Meet Miss Kim Kardashian.
이 사람은
She is famous for owning some clothes shops and going shopping.
이 사람은
She wears diamonds and fur because they are symbols of wealth in the West.
그것들을 걸친다.
And because she believes she is superior to other humans, she ignores the true cost of these luxuries.
무시해버립니다. 이번에 나온 유명 인사는
This celebrity is called
마돈나
Madonna.
이 사람은
She recently started a trend of shopping for children in third world countries, which gained her enormous publicity.
주목을 받게 된다. 그녀는
She
미국 내
could have
수백만
adopted
명이나
one of the
되는
millions of
불쌍한
poor black children in America who have no home.
이렇게 하는 것은 그녀가
But that would not have gotten her the attention she so desperately craves.
만들지는 못하였을 것이다. 미스터 타이거 우즈를
Meet
만나보고
Mr. Tiger Woods,
욕심 많고 타락한
an athlete who has made millions of dollars from his image as an honest, dependable family man. Even though the greedy golfer was also having sex with over a dozen waitresses, porn stars, and C-grade models at the same time.
이 사람은
This is B-grade actor Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
지금 보는 것은 캘리포니아의
Seen here with his wife when he was re-elected as governor of California. Unlike the other B-grade actor who served as governor of California,
이 배우는 대통령까지는
this actor won't be president
왜냐하면
because
자기 집
he fathered a child with the family maid in their marital bed.
이들 두
These two
배우는
actors are very big celebrities.
그들의 이름은 브래드와
Their names are
안젤리나입니다.
Brad and Angelina, and their brand is Brangelina.
그들 또한 제3세계에서
They also shop for children in third world countries.
마찬가지로 이들 또한 미디어의 주목을 받는
Like
것에
other celebrities, they constantly complain about the media attention they get,
어린이를 구매하기
even
위한
though they have entire teams of propagandists who alert the media each time they go shopping for children
전속되어 있는 홍보팀
or
전체가
purchase a coffee wearing the latest designer clothes.
알려주면서도 말이다. 진실은
The truth
이런
is
유명
that
인사들은
celebrities like these are merely collaborators.
예를 들어 서구 사회에서 담배의
For
사람들을
example, despite the fact that tobacco in the West is laced with more than 2,000 deadly chemicals designed to addict and kill humans,
잡지, 영화,
celebrities frequently appear in magazines, movies, and fashion shoots smoking cigarettes.
거대 담배 회사는 청소년들이 이들과
Big
같은 유명인이
Tobacco
되고
pays
싶다는
these
것을
trained
알고 있기
monkey
때문에
collaborators of
이들
death
꼭두각시
enormous
협력자들에게
amounts to
먹고
smoke
죽을
and
정도의
glamorize their
어마어마한
product,
돈을 지불하며 담배를
knowing that the
피우고
youth want to be celebrities too.
Nicole, don't do that, you promised.
간혹 유명인은
Sometimes celebrity exacts a terrible toll on the human brain, leading to confusion and misery.
이 가엾은 사람은
This poor man
최근
is Mr.
약물
Michael
과다분양으로
Jackson,
숨진
a very famous musician who recently died from a drug overdose. Let's look at what America did to this man.
그의 조상들은
His
아프리카에서
ancestors were raped from Africa and brought to America as slaves, and his childhood was spent working and performing for a violent father who colluded with record companies to profit from his talents.
자본주의
So
소나기에서
much pain at the hand of capitalism leads to an identity crisis.
이 충격적인 영상들
These disturbing images are not film trickery, but the result of a practice known as plastic surgery.
통계 자료에 의하면
In surveys, 9 out of 10 women in the West are unhappy with their appearance,
이런 배경으로
which drives them to spend enormous amounts of money buying cosmetics, clothes, and plastic surgery,
불구하고 여성들은
despite the fact that they will never become celebrities or look like the models in the advertisements.
이것을
This is consumerism.
대스타죠.
Many of the biggest celebrities have no talent at all.
이 대단히 유명한
This
여자는
very famous woman
미스
is called Miss
케이티
Katie Price.
프라이스라고 그녀의
Her brand
브랜드
name
이름은
is Jordan.
나이 조사에
And despite my
불구하고
research,
그녀가
it
하고
seems
있는
clear that she doesn't actually do anything.
이 사람은
This is Miss Paris Hilton.
이
This narcissistic parasite comes from a wealthy hotel family. She glorifies her opulent lifestyle without guilt and is said to charge $150,000 to appear at parties.
그녀는 심지어
She even has a TV program called My New Best Friend Forever,
나의
where
새로운
people compete to be her new best friend.
프로그램을 운영하기도 한다. 이것이 서구 사회에서는
Proof that anything in the West can be reproduced and commodified for profit.
될 수 있다는 증거이다. 이것이 서구 사회에서
This is part of a trend in the West for what is called reality television,
하는 것이다. 현실 TV는
a type of freak show programming about talentless narcissists who like to talk about themselves and go shopping.
쇼 프로이다. 미국 현실
In the field of American reality TV,
가장 터무니없는
competition is fierce for the most grotesque example of such exploitation.
여성들이
There are shows like The Swan, where women who are deemed ugly enter a plastic surgery competition to see who can be turned into the most beautiful.
She's just very masculine, face, body, basically everywhere. So we really need to change her body with a lot of liposuction, breast augmentation. We really need to feminize her face by doing a brow lift, rhinoplasty, take the fat of her cheeks and her chin. She really deserves to be in this program.
Without a doubt.
이것은 My Super
This one is called My Super Sweet 16, where children have tens of thousands of dollars spent on them simply because they are turning 16.
써댄다. 이 아이들은 아무것도 이룬
They are
것이
treated like celebrities, despite the fact that they have achieved nothing and are out of touch with reality.
거리가 먼 일이다.
And if you're ready,
하지만 이것은
But this is nothing compared to a reality series called The Bachelor, where a handsome, wealthy young man declares his commitment to picking a wife from a bevy of 16 potential brides.
남자가 각각의 여자에게
His sincerity in talking to each woman is chilling, as are their claims to love him.
다음 편이다. 배우자 후보
After sampling all of the potential brides, he decides who to marry, turning the most personal of decisions into a commodity,
조종되고
an experience to be manipulated, packaged, and sold worldwide.
you guys ready?
텔레비전과 유명인 잡지 같은 방해 기법은
Distraction techniques like television and celebrity magazines
생각하고
are the propagandist's best tools for keeping people from thinking and talking about important issues.
그리고 여기
Now, they have another.
게임 산업은
The games industry now generates more money than the film industry
죽음
and has cemented the West as a culture of death, violence, and destruction.
이것은
This is Grand Theft Auto 4.
이 게임에서는
Here, you can kill anything that moves and have sex with prostitutes.
가능하다. 이 게임은
This game appeals so much to people, it sold $500 million worth of units in its first week of sale.
게임과 만화 영화는 폭력과 죽음의
Because gaming and animation desensitizes violence and death,
대부분이
much of the billions in military spending goes into recruiting young, poor, and uneducated people to fight their Fortune 500 wars using these same techniques.
싸우도록 한다.
Most serve 1 weekend a month and 2 weeks a year.
Still 2-6, crazy horse 1-8. Come on, fire!
Hey, Roger.
Come on, let us shoot.
1-8, okay, clear.
Come on.
이 게임은 세계
This game is based on something called WWE, which stands for World Wrestling Entertainment.
극도의 폭력은
Extreme violence cheered on by Americans baying for blood.
미국인들은 그들의 절친한
They know
친구와
the names
배우자,
of each one of these actors,
영국의 노력에도 불구하고
and yet they don't know where Britain is on the map,
모르지만 이 게임에
despite the efforts of the British to be their best friends.
알고 있다. 85%의 미국 젊은이들은
85% of American young adults can't find Israel, Iraq, or Afghanistan on a world map. 30% of them can't find the Pacific Ocean on the map.
그리고 75%는
75% of them don't know the population of the US,
얼마인지도 모르고
and 11% of them can't even find it on a map.
어디에 있는지조차도 모른다. 이런 것이 물론
This is ideal, of course. Keep the masses ignorant and pacified on the couch.
폭력, 죽음과
Distract them with violence, death, and the illusions of celebrity. Reduce resistance and thought. Make them choose the bland over the brilliant.
건조한 사람이 되는 것을 사고력이 풍부한 사람이 되는 것보다는 무의미한 사람이 되는 것과 쓰레기 같은 것들에 눈이 번쩍 뜨이게 하는 사람이 되게 하는 그런 것 말이다.
This is now what people around the world accept as normal. This manufactured reality has become more real than this. 38 million homeless Americans. But the media doesn't want people to know about these Americans. Not unless they can be used for entertainment.
You want to be on top?
Meet Miss Tyra Banks, a former clothes model who now has a talk show where she pretends to be concerned about people's problems and society in general, even though she has no qualifications to do this.
And so,
Here, she dresses up and pretends to be homeless in order to experience life on the streets, which is impossible because she owns numerous homes and great wealth.
청중들은 이 가식적 행태에
The audience doesn't question this charade,
대신 이것은 그녀가 자신의
but instead it willingly feeds into her need to talk about herself. Here we see America's Next Top Model, where everything is covered in her Tyra brand.
겨우 그녀의 이름만 불렀을
Everyone has to shout and scream and appear delighted at the mere mention of her name.
보여야 된다. 이번 에피소드에서는
In this episode, she has the contestants made up to pose as blood-spattered and mangled corpses, while across the other side of the world, her fellow Americans were shooting, stabbing, and blowing up an estimated 1.8 million Iraqi civilians.
참가자들과 함께하고 있다. 대부분의 미국인들과 마찬가지로 그녀 또한
Like most Americans, she doesn't know or care about these numbers.
신경도 쓰지 않는다.
She is concerned only about a life of style over substance.
관심이 있을 뿐이다.
We need to go back to World War I, when Germany was winning the war without a single shot being fired on German soil.
David
Ben-Gurion, the head of a powerful group of Zionists and the American Rothschild family, approached the British with the promise to bring the Americans into the war. In return, they wanted Palestine. The British agreed to this land theft and, at the cost of American lives and money which has never been repaid, they signed the Balfour Declaration, which was addressed to Lord Rothschild from the British government, promising Palestine to the Rothschild Zionists as a national home for Jews. This is both sinister and unnecessary. Since Jews lived peacefully for thousands of years amidst the Arab majorities in the Middle East and had no desire to steal their land. The Zionist collaboration with the British worked. Germany went from winning the war to capitulating and signing the Versailles Treaty at, where else, the Rothschilds' palace.
Palestine
was then declared a British mandate, and the Zionists were able to swiftly colonize Palestine after the Second World War. On May 14, 1948, after Rockefeller leaned on smaller countries in the UN to vote Israel into the United Nations, Israel declared its independence from British mandate.
Today, the British mandate over the land of Israel ends. We declare a Jewish state in the ancient land of Israel. It will be called the State of Israel.
그리고 1년 후
and 1 year later had claimed 78% of Palestine, despite only owning 6% of it. The first Prime Minister of Israel was Zionist David Ben-Gurion, who employed Reuters, which was owned by the Rothschild Zionist organization, to start an enormous propaganda campaign, which continues to this day. Once Israel was established with UN approval, and the world was sold on the fairy tale of Jews finally returning to Israel, David Ben-Gurion started a campaign of ethnic cleansing. We have taken their country. We must do everything to ensure they never return. We must use terror, assassination, intimidation, land confiscation, and the cutting of all social services to rid the Galilee of its Arab population. David Ben-Gurion, 1948. For over 6 decades, Israel has tenaciously pursued this hateful agenda of colonization, ethnic cleansing, murder, terrorism, land theft, and cultural genocide with great success, thanks to American taxpayers who give $3 billion in direct economic and military assistance each year. It is widely understood that this money is currently being used to build this apartheid wall that costs an estimated $1 million per mile. Apartheid is a crime against humanity. Israel has deprived millions of Palestinians of their liberty and property and perpetuated a system of gross discrimination. Nelson Mandela. Israel has become Nazi Germany, destroying their victims' land, confiscating their property, putting them in concentration camps, even stamping numbers on their hands, a practice that led to Yafa Yarkoni, holder of the Israel Prize, to speak out. The occupied territories should be given back, and that's it. We should learn from the Holocaust not to abuse and humiliate other peoples. Yafa Yarkoni is talking about Article 49 of the Geneva Convention, which says that no state may put its own civilians as settlers into occupied territories. Settlers and settlement are, of course, propaganda phrases that evoke legitimate and comforting feelings of finding a home. However, as acclaimed journalist Robert Fisk writes in his novel, The Great War for Civilization, the far more disturbing and far more accurate word for Israel's land grabbing in the West Bank and Gaza since 1967 is colonizing. Settlers are colonists. So why doesn't the world condemn Israel and demand its withdrawal from the occupied territories? Why is America the only country still fervently supporting Israel and its policies? Nobel Peace Prize winner Bishop Desmond Tutu of South Africa observes that the Israeli government is placed on a pedestal in the US, and to criticize it is to be immediately dubbed anti-Semitic. People are scared in the US to say wrong is wrong, because the Jewish lobby is powerful, very powerful. The most important propaganda victory for Israel has been selling the idea that it is the victim and the Palestinians are the terrorists. They do this by controlling the media. According to Israeli Holocaust historian Yehuda Bauer, the Holocaust is constantly exploited to deflect criticism of Israel and its own immoral policies.
단 한 달도 새로운
Hardly a
TV
month goes
영상물이나
by without a new
영화,
TV production,
드라마,
a new film,
책,
a new drama,
글이나
new
시로
books,
이
prose or
주제를
poetry
다루지
dealing
않는
with the
것을 볼
subject.
수가 없으며 그 강도가
And the flood is
약해지기는커녕
increasing rather than
점점
abating.
강해진다. 예후다
Professor
바우어
Yehuda
교수.
Bauer.
미국과 이스라엘의 관계는
The reality is that America's relationship with Israel could not withstand public scrutiny,
이것은 곧
which would quickly expose Israel not as a victim, but the most powerful country in the Middle East.
이스라엘은
It is the world's fourth largest nuclear power and the fifth largest arms producer. It possesses nuclear, chemical, and biological weapons, but thanks to America, has never signed a non-proliferation treaty or agreed to international inspection. It is also an occupying power in a stolen land that is not held accountable for its actions by anyone.
Watched with his own eyes.
이 지역에서
Anything that's mobile, that moves in the zone, even if it's a 3-year-old, needs to be killed.
지금 이 말은
This was said by an Israeli army officer who was acquitted of any wrongdoing after shooting 13-year-old schoolgirl Iman al-Hams 17 times.
사살한 후 사살한 것을
After
부하들에게
confirming the kill to his soldiers, he emptied a full magazine into her head.
세계는 이런 일들에 대해서 알아낼
The
방법이
world never finds out about these things because Israel doesn't allow it. It calls itself a democracy, but uses a type of propaganda called censorship, where certain phrases and words are not allowed.
Journalists
are not allowed to use the word Palestine. It's the terrorist infrastructure. These territories are not occupied, they are disputed. These are not humans seeking freedom from oppression, they are terrorists. This is not an apartheid wall, it's a security barrier. This is not assassination and murder, it is pacification. This is not state-sanctioned terror, it is self-defense.
So Defense Minister of might, power, and beatings, which became known.
이것은 이스라엘에 의한 피해자들의
This is all part of a carefully orchestrated plan to dehumanize their victims. A tool learned from what the Nazis did to Jews, homosexuals, gypsies, and the mentally diminished.
역사적으로 볼 때
There are now more propaganda-filled screens and magazines than at any other time in history. And these are controlled by just 5 giant media companies. This creates more opportunities to distract people from what really matters.
더 많은 기회들을 만들어낸다.
More opportunities to brainwash them. More opportunities to sell them poisoned food and drugs they don't need. More opportunities to drip-feed them a meaningless, distorted reality.
지금 보시는 거는
No, this is not a Hollywood blockbuster. The planes crashing into these towers are real. And these buildings crashed to the ground, including one that wasn't hit by anything at all. The American population was terrorized, hypnotized, and traumatized by repetitive showings of the devastation, with the media repeating over and over that it was a terrorist attack. However, 11 years after that day, it seems certain that everything was staged like a Hollywood blockbuster. Logic, physics, and history point to this incident being another false flag operation, like the bombing of the German Reichstag, Pearl Harbor, and the Gulf of Tonkin incident. And polls in the US confirm this. 87% of Americans now believe that 9/11 was a contrived pretext for an endless war on terror and the opportunity to remove their democratic rights and liberties.
One by one, the terrorists are learning the meaning of American justice.
하지만 미국인들에 대한 진짜
But the real threat to Americans is not terrorism.
2001년부터 2009년 사이
Between 2001 and 2009, the number of deaths from terrorism in America stood at 3,000. In the same period, there were 192,000 deaths by homicide, 204,000 drunk driving, 360,000 suicide, 456,000 second-hand smoke, 873,780 diabetes, 4,622,268 cancer, 5,304,000 smoking-related, 6,238,284 heart disease.
Today our nation saw evil.
We will not rest until this evil is driven from our world.
그렇지만 그들의
But their
지도자들은
leaders focus only on the phantom dangers of terrorism, while allowing food and drug companies to make more and more poisonous food that is killing its people like an internal, unspoken genocide.
무형의 위험에 초점을 맞추고 있다. 이들은 심지어
They even protect these killer companies. Cigarettes, for example, are the only consumer product that doesn't have to list its ingredients on the packet.
소비 제품이다. 공평하게 말하자면
To be fair, it would be difficult to fit the names of 2,000 poisons on such a small box.
어려운 일일 수도 있겠다. 우리가 여기서 다시
Here
한번
we are
생각해야 될
reminded
점은
that wars are not fought for flags and
국민을
citizens,
위하여 싸우는 것이 아니라 기업을
but
위해서
for
하는 것이라는
corporations.
것이다. 미국의 프로파간디스트들에 의해서
The war on terror, engineered by American propagandists to frighten and control their people,
테러와의 전쟁 이기는 것이
is impossible to win,
그렇지만
but
영원히
endlessly
이익을
profitable.
창출하는 어떤 똑똑한
I'll be
사람이
long gone before some smart person ever figures out what happened inside this Oval Office.
잊혀져 버릴 것이다. 실질적인 테러와의 전쟁은 다프
War on terror is a vague propaganda slogan, as a real war on terror would include direct intervention in Darfur, Myanmar, and Zimbabwe, where Robert Mugabe has made a mockery of the Americans' claim to love democracy.
프로파간다 슬로건일 뿐이다.
A real war on terror would start with American citizens refusing to pay taxes that support Israel's illegal occupation of Palestine. Taxes that could be used to help Americans who are unemployed, working without health care, and homeless. Of course, if you dared to point this out in America, you would be named anti-American and a traitor, or one of those who hate freedom. So people keep quiet because they are afraid of expressing how they feel. You've got to keep them pretty scared, because unless they're properly scared and frightened that all sorts of devils are going to destroy them from outside or inside or somewhere, they may start to think, which is very dangerous, because they're not competent to think. Therefore, it's important to distract them and marginalize them. Points out Professor Noam Chomsky.
하지만 대중 집단을 소외시키고 교란시키는 것에 앞서
Before you can distract and marginalize them, however, you first have to know what motivates them.
알아내어야 할 것이다.
Communism in reality is not a political party. It is a way of life, an evil and malignant way of life. It reveals a condition akin to disease that spreads like an epidemic. And like an epidemic, a quarantine is necessary to keep it from infecting this nation.
Fear is the engine room of imperial propaganda.
We cannot wait for the final proof, the smoking gun that could come in the form of a mushroom cloud.
Those who have understood this have manipulated people for centuries, indeed millennia, by manufacturing and controlling religion. The Western religions of Judaism, Christianity, and Catholicism use a propaganda manual called the Bible. Although it is the same story, each brand claims its version is the best one. As with any advertising, the propagandist knows that there is no idea easier to sell than the idea that you are vastly superior to everyone else. So they tell their followers that they are unique in human history, that they are descended from the first man and first woman, and that they are chosen by their supreme creator to rule over all other cultures. To secure the deal, they add the idea of an eternal soul. That way, death doesn't seem so bad, and they won't resist being sent to fight against competing brands. Religion is regarded by the common people as true, by the wise as false, and by the rulers as useful. Seneca the Younger. Of course, only the truly ignorant believe that books like the Bible are really the Word of God. Religion is horribly, unmistakably human. The God of the Old Testament is arguably the most unpleasant character in all fiction. Jealous and proud of it. A petty, unjust, unforgiving control freak. A vindictive, bloodthirsty ethnic cleanser. A misogynistic, homophobic, racist, infanticidal, genocidal, filicidal, pestilential, megalomaniacal, sadomasochistic, capriciously malevolent bully. Scientist Richard Dawkins. With the use of science, we can now diagnose God as a psychopath with extreme narcissistic personality disorder. He is a character created by humans who sought to control others by naming themselves as prophets of God. While most people who claim to be prophets of God are kept in mental asylums, others make their way into positions of power. Hence today, I believe I am acting in accordance with the will of the mighty Creator. By defending myself against the Jew, I am fighting for the work of the Lord. Adolf Hitler. Working in accordance with God isn't just for believers. British Prime Minister Tony Blair turned to Catholicism after killing as many innocent Muslim civilians as possible. Now he can be forgiven for mass murder and sit next to his God for eternity. all he has to do is sit in a box and confess his sins to a priest. For terrorists like Tony Blair, the Mafia, and the IRA, Catholicism is the ideal choice. The Catholic Church wholeheartedly supported the Nazis, and with the help of the CIA, continued to protect them after the fall of the Third Reich by passing them along the infamous rat line to safety in America. It also goes out of its way to protect the malignant child abusers who run its operations worldwide. Most of all, it protects the Pope, the richest man in the world, who travels to Africa pleading for an end to poverty, despite never using his own riches to help his most desperate followers. Instead, he promises the poorest that they will be the richest in heaven.
This crusade, this war on terrorism, is going to take a while.
This toxic Texan claims that God told him to invade Iraq and Afghanistan. So he did, killing hundreds of thousands of innocent civilians. He must speak to the same God as his father, whose war and sanctions killed millions of innocent civilians in the same place.
I have said to the people of Iraq that our quarrel was not with them, but instead with their leadership, and above all with Saddam Hussein. You, the people of Iraq, are not our enemy. We do not seek your destruction.
This man clearly enjoys killing people. Even though he was too scared to fight for his country during the American War of Aggression in Vietnam, he broke all records for killing prisoners during his time as governor of Texas. Such a civilized society, America, where this two-term president refused to pardon Ricky Ray Rector from execution. A man so severely retarded that when the guards interrupted his last meal to lead him to his execution, he assured them it was okay because he would just have to finish it when they got back. Like God, these leaders show no mercy to the weak. Even in their own country, after a devastating hurricane, no mercy for the weak. And here, no mercy for the weak. On February 15, 2003, millions of people worldwide took to the streets in the world's largest ever day of protest. A protest against the pirate Bush regime and their British and Australian lapdogs who wanted to go to war on manufactured grounds. The majority of the world voted against this war, but were ignored. Is this democracy? The powerful 1% went ahead with their pre-planned war, as always, using the poorest people's children to do the fighting.
We're here for your freedom! So back up right now!
It's important to note that these cowards were happy to order mass death and destruction, despite never having been in battle themselves. Is this democracy? No. Real democracy is when the majority of people make a decision and it's upheld. For example, in polls taken throughout the world, the vast majority of citizens want to see these war criminals committed to stand trial for crimes against humanity. Since 90% of the casualties of their false war on terror were innocent civilians.
우리 조국은
We are the only country left on the planet that has not been invaded by imperial propaganda.
그들이 포갑 앞에 무릎을
We have not succumbed to their tyranny, and we never will.
왜냐하면 우리는 1%의
Because we
지배
know
계급이
what the
두려워하는
ruling
것이
1% is afraid
무엇인지
of.
알고 있기 때문이다. 그들이 두려워하는
They are
것은
afraid
진정한
of real
민주주의.
democracy.
그들은 인민들이
They are afraid that
자신들의
people will begin to
프로파간다를
recognize their
인식하기
propaganda
시작하고 그것을
and start
대처하기
rejecting it.
시작하는 것을 두려워한다. 사람들이
They are afraid
선거라는 행태로
people will
행해지는
demand more power
산성
than the
경배보다
fraudulent
더
auctions
많은
passed off
힘을
as
요구하게 되는 것을
elections.
두려워한다. 그들은 인민들이 조직적
They are afraid people will begin organized resistance and stop obeying laws designed to disempower
복종하지
them.
않게 되는 것을 두려워한다. 그들은 또한 인민들이
They are afraid people will start asking why they have to fight wars for the Fortune 500 companies.
것을 염려하고 있다. 그들은
They are afraid that people will start to realize that those who commit atrocities against humanity have names and can't hide behind flags and corporations forever.
그들은 또한
They are afraid that people will gather in mass crowds and make citizen arrests,
더한 것을 발동하게 되는 것을
or worse.
다른 어떤
More
것보다
than anything, they are afraid that the world will decide it wants a new beginning,
원하게 되는 것이다. 약탈자,
a revolution that has no place for the pillagers and plunderers and exploiters.
혁명 말이다. 우리는 이
We are
세계의
the headquarters of this world revolution.
우리는 우리의 평화로운 조국과
We will fight to the death to defend our peaceful nation and beloved leader
노예화로부터 지키는 것
from the cruelty, exploitation,
저항할 수 없는 모든 곳의
greed,
사람들을 향한
enslavement, and violence against helpless peoples everywhere.
순간까지 싸울 것이다. 우리는 500년
We will defend ourselves as we defend the rights of billions of humans who do not benefit from 500 years of Western civilization
인민들의 권리를 보호하듯이
and the cancerous empire of corporate collusion.
낼 것이다. 우리는 우리 마음에 파고드는
We must remain vigilant at all times
항상 경계의 고삐를
and be alert to their insidious attack on the mind,
이전에도 그러했듯이
for they have come before
이러한 공격은 또
and they will come again.